Okay guys, so I finally got a second-hand handbrake lever with a better ratchet system, because this one, you pull it up and let's see, doesn't even stay in place. In some cases you can actually push it down. It's very useless. This is the new one, the second-hand one. Looks like it works. The ratchet seems to be in good condition. Looks okay. A little bit of wear and tear, but nothing catastrophic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this out, and that should get the handbrake going. But first, this guy's got some surface rust on it, so I'm gonna get my wire brush on there, spray it black, and then I'll install it there. Alright, so just a quick update. As you can see, I've taken the one bolt out there, I've taken the nut off the top of the handbrake cable. It's a size 10, these are size 12, so just undo those three, and then you'll need to undo the screw with the handbrake switch, so your light on the dashboard can work, or you can take the one on the side out. I'm not sure which method I'm going to use right now, because the new handbrake lever has this bracket on it, so I don't know if I want to remove the bracket and then reinstall this one, or just use the new one and reinstall the switch. I'll see what I decide, but yeah, that's just a quick update. I'm gonna remove this guy now, and then we'll tackle this guy. Alright, so I've decided to leave the bracket in place and just remove the actual switch, so it's sort of done now. Yeah, you can see, let me find a good lighting condition here. There you go. You can see how worn out these guys are. They're pretty much rounded off on the top. This is why it just doesn't hold anymore. I'm gonna bring the other one now just for comparison so you can see. Okay, here's the other one. It's now painted, it's looking a lot newer, and yeah, the paint should prevent the rust from ever coming back. I brushed it off with the metal wire brush. Oh, these cables that you see here, those are for my electric windows, so because obviously they live here where the handbrake is. If you have a look, you can see how sharp the new one is compared to how rounded off the old one is, so that already is a good improvement. We know we'll have a good handbrake cable now, well, handbrake lever, plus the new cables underneath. So I'm going to install this guy, just the reverse obviously. Screw in the switch over here, 10mm for the cable, 12mm for the 2 bolts. Okay, so the new handbrake cable is in. I'm just adjusting the tension on there. The ratchet works perfect, everything is good. So I'm going to adjust the tension here, and then I'm going to adjust the switch, make sure that it doesn't light up on the dash when the handbrake lever is down. Okay, so we're good now. That's all that we need to have the handbrake fully engaged. You can see it won't go much further, and that's good. So now I'm just going to adjust this guy. So I'm going to turn on the ignition, adjust the screw, and then get it to a point where in the down position the light turns off. Okay, so you've got the light working properly. So if I pull it up, light on, put it down, light off. So now I'm just going to put everything back together.